True Jamaican vibes, fire read. So guys, I'm in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man, I'm place where them call him Content. Close to Union, Balaclava. You know them place there in St. Elizabeth. Yeah man. So guys, thank you all for stopping by. So take a tour with your tour guide Fire Read and enjoy the journey. So the direction where I'm heading towards Braes River direction. So you know them places kind of look a bit lonely. You travel them road here. Me life go from Union to Braes River. This can take you all back to Santa Cruz. You know the main road them call it. The turn off from Braes River Road could take you to Santa Cruz and also to Goshen, Spurtree and Manchester. So you all need to know our beautiful island Jamaica. Yeah, we have a little bit of bumpy ride, but still enjoying it. So them places are kind of a bit lonely. Yeah man, you see the roadside. So guys, I just want you to know how to get around in Jamaica in the parish of St. Elizabeth. You have to blow your hand at them places, you know. Blow your hand, make the vehicle know say you come. Yeah man, the other road users them make you know say you come towards them. So to keep you all safe on this road. Wow. So guys, we're in the Bogue area. Yeah man, so we are at the Bogue Primary and Infant School. So this is the Bogue area, guys. So thank you all for watching the channel. True Jamaican Vibes Fire Reid.